Backstitch is a really awesome stitch to do line work, and I'm going to show you how. To start your stitch, pull the needle up through the fabric, making sure the knot hits the back of the fabric. Then, put the needle into the fabric to create your first stitch. To do your second stitch, you want to make sure it's going to be the same length as your first one. You're going to pull the needle up on the left-hand side and place the needle into the same hole as your first stitch. To continue making the line, you're going to work from left to right, making sure that the needle goes into the same hole as the previous stitch. When you're doing curves, you do the same exact thing, just make sure your stitches are much smaller. You can see at the top that you have really thick stitches, which are chunky and slightly awkward, whereas the bottom stitches are smaller and more fluid.